Hello friends, today's topic is linear equation in one variable, as we already covered three parts based on this chapter, and this is the fourth part of the chapter linear equation in one variable. And today let's see what we are going to learn in this chapter. Yes friends, so let's start the video. So friends, let's start solving our first sum, as we already solved this type of sum in our previous classes also. So let's start solving our first sum. So what is our first sum, friends? 3x equals to 2x plus 1. Before starting the video, the only thing that I am going to tell you is terms having x should be on to the left hand side and the other terms should be on the right hand side. So 3x and 2x, these are the terms having x, and 3x is on the left hand side itself. So let's take the 2x onto the left hand side. So as per transposition theorem, plus 2x after going that side will become minus 2x and 18 as it is. That means the value for x is 18. This is the thing that we are supposed to do. But after getting this, what we are supposed to do, we have to put the value of x as 18 in our question and check whether we have found the answer correct or not. So let's check it friends over here, that whether we have found the answer correctly or not. Yes, 3 value for x is 18, and here it is 2 into 18 plus 18. Yes friends, 3 18 18 3 ja. As I know that all the students might be facing problem in finding 18 3 ja. They don't know the table of 18. 36 plus 18, that is 54 equals to 54. That's the LHS equals to RHS. That means our answer is correct. I hope you all might be getting it friends. So let's begin with the second sum for the day, and if you know how to solve, pause the video and try to solve the remaining sums by your own. So let's begin with the second sum of the day. So the second sum for the day is 5t minus 3 equals to 5t minus t. It is minus t equals to 3t minus 5 friends. Yes, what we are supposed to do, terms having variable should be onto the left hand side. 5t minus 3t as per transposition theorem, and minus 3 as it is, minus 5 as it is. Now what we are supposed to do, 2t minus 3 as per transposition theorem will go that side and it will become plus 3. So 2t equals to minus 2, and the value for 2 and t are in multiplication over here. After going that side, it will become in division, minus 2 upon 2. So value for the t we are getting as minus 1. So let's put the value of t as minus 1 in our given question and check whether whether the answer we have found is correct or not. So let's put the value for t as minus 1. 3 into minus 1 minus 5 friends. Yes, minus 5 minus 3 is equals to minus 3 minus 5. From this step only we are able to know that our answer is same. But then also let's solve it properly and check whether, yes, from this statement we can say that our answer is correct. In this way you can check and verify whether your answer is correct in your exam also friends. If you are not sure that your answer is correct or not, so let's begin with the third sum. If you are capable of solving, then you have to pause the video and try to solve the remaining sums by your own. All the sums are similar. Now 5 plus 3x. Again I am telling you the terms having x should be on the left hand side. 5x minus 3x plus 9 is equals to 5. You have to follow each and every step. 2x, 5x minus 3x, 2x and plus 9 as it is, and 5 here. So 2x minus 9 after going plus 9 after going that side will become minus 9, and here it will become minus 4. So 2x equals to minus 4. So directly now I am writing minus 2 upon 2 is equals to x equals to minus 2. So what we are getting friends over here is x value for x is minus 2. I hope you all might be capable of knowing that and you all have understood it properly till now. So we have to just put the value for x and check whether our answer is correct or not. Yes, here now I have assumed the value and put the value for x as minus 2. Yes, 5 into minus 2 would be minus 10 plus 9, and here also 5 plus 3 into minus 2, that means minus 6. That means answer is minus 1. Here also minus 1. That means LHS equals to RHS. So our answer is correct. I hope you all might be getting it friends. So let's solve the fourth sum for the day, and if you have understood and cleared your concept over here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel friends. So let's begin to the fourth sum for the day. Yes friends, what should be our fourth sum for that day? Try to solve it. So 4z plus 3 equals to 6 plus 2z. Yes friends, let's find terms having z should be other variable on to the left hand side. 2z plus 3 is equals to 6. Yes, 2z plus 3 is equals to 6. Now 3 after going that side will become in minus. So 2z, it is 2z. Yes, here also let's make it correct so you don't face difficulty. 2 multiplied by z equals to 3 and z equals to 3 by 2. So what we have got, the value of z equals to 3 by 2. Let's put the value of z as 3 by 2 in our equation and check whether we have found the answer correct or Now friends, you can pause the video and try to check by your own also. I am putting over here 3 by 2 plus 3 equals to 6 plus 2 into 3 by 2. 2 gets cancelled, so 2 3s are would be 6 and 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. We all know 2 also get cancelled over here. 6 plus 3. Here we can say 9 is our answer on both the sides. That means LHS equals to RHS. From this thing we can say friends. So let's begin with the next sum for the day. And if you understood and cleared your concept over here, pause the video and try to solve the remaining sums by your own friends. So let's solve the fifth sum. So what is to be the fifth sum for the day? That is equals to 2x minus 1 equals to 14 minus x. So friends, if you have understood and cleared your concept, pause the video and try to solve by your own. I am solving over here for you only. So terms having x should be on to the left hand side. 2x minus x minus 1 equals to 14. What we are supposed to do friends? 2x minus x would be plus 1x, and minus 1 after going that side would become in plus. Yes friends, that we can say. The only mistake I have made over here is that you can also identify. So now here you have to pause the video and identify what mistake I have made over here friends. That mistake you don't have to made in your exam. Yes friends, so keep in your mind that you don't have to make that mistake in your exam. What mistake I have made friends is minus 6 as per transposition after going that side will become plus x. Yes, minus x after going that side after it will become plus x. So here it will become 3x minus 1 is equals to 14. So 3x equals to 14 plus 1, that is 15. Yes friends, so 3x equals to 15. So x equals to 15 by 3 we can say. So the value for x we are getting as 5. I hope you all might be getting it. That was the easier one. So now you have to put the value for the x and check whether your answer is correct. Why we are checking? Because it is demanded in our question that check whether you have found the answer correct or not. That's why we are checking. So 10 minus 1, here also 14 minus 5 equals to 9. So 9 equals to 9. So our answer is correct. That means LHS equals to RHS. I hope you all might be getting it friends. So here if you understood, pause the video and try to solve the remaining sums by your own. Yes friends. So let's solve the next sum for the day. That is sixth sum. What is sixth sum for the day is 8x plus 4 is equals to 3x minus 1 plus 7. In this BODMAS rule plays a very important role. 8x plus 4 as it is. Yes friends, 3 should be multiplied with x also, and 3 should be multiplied with minus 1 also, as per distributive law. Yes, as we already know, 3x minus 3 and plus 7 as it is. Now what we are supposed to do, x term should be on to the left hand side. 8x minus 3x equals plus 4 equals to minus 3 plus 7. Yes friends, so 8x minus 3x will become 5x plus 4 as it is. Here also minus 3 plus 7 will become plus 4. Now what we are supposed to do, plus 4 after going that side will become minus 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So value for 5x equals to 0. Find x are multiplication over here. So 5 after going in denominator will become 0 only. So it does not change. So our answer is 0 as we all know. Yes friends, now we'll put the value for x as 0 in our question and check whether we have found the answer correct or not. Yes, if you are having doubt, you can also check by this or by putting the value. So value for 8 x should be 0 and plus as it is 3. 0 minus 1 plus 7. Yes friends, 8 into 0 would become 0 plus 4 equals to 3 into 0. 3 multiplied with 0 will become 0, and 3 multiplied with minus 1 will become minus 3 plus 7. Minus 3 plus 7 we all know, plus 4 and 4 is 4. That means LHS equals to RHS. From this we can say that our answer is correct. I hope you all might be getting it. So let's begin with the next sum for the day. Yes friends, if you like my content, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. And if you understood, pause the video and try to solve by your own. X equals to 4 by 5 x plus 10. This is the special type of sum and it demands special treatment. So if you don't treat this type of sum specially, then you would have to solve this type of sums in one page also. Yes friends, the only thing, 4 and 5 are common in x plus 10. Yes friends, as per our question, 4 and 5 are common, that are to be taken as common. That means they are outside the bracket and nothing is to be there in addition and subtraction. The thing that we can do over here is 5 that is in denominator after going that side will become in multiplication. So 5 multiplied by x, that we can write. So here it will become 4 into x plus 10. This thing can be done only this type of sums only, not in the other type of sums. I will always help you and tell you that this thing should not be used in the other type of sums and where it should not be used. That also you have to keep in mind. So here it will become 5x Here, as per transposition, 4 should multiplied with x and 4 should multiplied with 10 also. 4x plus 40. As per distributive property, we already studied this thing. 5x minus 4x as x term should be onto the one side and 40 as it is. 4x minus 5x would be x. X equals to 40. We have got the value for x as 40. I hope you all might be getting it. So let's put the value for the x and check whether our answer is correct or not. Yes, friends. So let's put the value and check. 40 equals to 4 by 5. 40 plus 10. Here we already know our answer is 40. So here it will become 50. 5 tens are, so here also 40, that means 40 40 equals, so means we can say as LHS equals to RHS, that means our answer is correct. I hope you all might be getting it, friend. So let's begin with the 8th sum for the day. If you understood and cleared your concept, pause the video and try to solve by your own, friends, as they are similar type of sums, friends. I hope you all might be getting it. So let's begin with the 8th sum for the day, that is 2x by 3 plus 1 equals to 7x by 15. Here plus 1 I have not written. 7x plus 3. Yes. Always copy the sum correctly, as I have seen lot many students are writing question only incorrect in their question paper and they solve correctly, but then also they don't find the answer because they have written the question incorrectly. So let's solve it properly. Yes, friends, what we can do, first terms having x should be onto the one side. 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15 on the one side, and what we can do, plus 1 is over here. After going that side it will become minus 1. So let's solve it. 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15 as it is, and here it will become 3 minus 1. I hope you all might be getting it, friends. Now let's take the LCM of 3 and 15. LCM is 15. You can check by at your home what is our LCM. LCM is 15. Yes, friends, you know how to find the LCM. If you don't know how to find the LCM, you can go to grade 5 and check and find what should be the LCM. I hope you all might be getting it, friends. Yes. So what we have to do now, friend, what we are supposed to do, we have to make the first term as LCM as 15. So 2x should be multiplied with which term? It should be multiplied with 5 to make it 15. Yes, and it should be multiplied with 1 because it is already 15. So it will become 10x by 15 minus 7x by 15, and here it will become 2. Yes, I hope till this step all must be clear. 15 should be taken as common. 10x minus 7x equals to 2. Yes, and 3x equals to 3x by 15 equals to 2. Now 15 is in denominator over this side. After going that side, it will become in multiplication. So 3x equals to 15 2s are 30. I am directly solving as I am having lack of space. So value for x would be 10. Yes, as you are in grade 8, you all must be capable of solving till this step. Now what we are supposed to do, we'll put the value for x as 10 and check whether we have found the answer correct or not. Yes, so let's put the value for x over here and check whether we have found the answer correct or not. Value for x is 10 plus 1 is equals to 7 into 10 by 15 plus 3. What we can do, it can be cancelled by the table of 5. 5 2s are 5 3s are. Here it does not cancel. 20 by 3 plus 1 is equals to 7 2s are 14 by 3 plus 3. Now what we are supposed to do, terms having 3 should be onto the one side. That means 20 minus 14 by 3 is equals to 3 minus 1. Yes, friends, it is equals to 2, and 20 minus 14 equals to 6 by 3. That means 2 2. So our answer LS on both the sides we are getting 2. That means LHS equals to RHS. So our answer is correct from this thing we can say. I hope you all might be getting it. So let's solve the 9th sum for the day. And if you understood and cleared the concept, pause the video and try to solve the remaining sums by your own, friend. So let's solve the 9th sum for the day. What is the 9th sum? So if you like the content, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel also. So let's begin with the 9th sum, that is 2y plus 5 by 3 is equals to 26 by 3 minus y, friends. What we are supposed to do, terms having y should be onto the either side. Yes, term having y should be onto the left hand side. 2y minus y plus 5 by 3 as it is and 26 by 3 as it is. Now what we are supposed to do, 2y minus y would be 1y, or we can say it as y also. So y plus 5 by 3 will go that side, and it will become minus 5 by 3, and it will become what it will become, friends? It was minus y. Again we have made the same mistake that you don't have to mistake, friends. Minus y, after going that side it will become plus y. Yes, friends, so here it will become 3y. You don't have to make such mistake in your exam. Again, I am reminding you by doing the same mistake. I hope you all might be getting it, friends. Now, what we are supposed to do, 3y is equals to, as the denominator is same, 26 minus 5. That means 21 by 3 is equals to 3y. Value for 3y is equals to 3 1s are 3 7s are. Value for 3y is 7 and value for y would be 7 by 3, as you all might be capable of doing till now. So let's put the value for y as 7 by 3 in our question and check whether we have found the answer correct or not, friends. Yes, so let's put the value for x, y in our question. Value for y is 7 by 3. 2 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3 is equals to 26 by 3 minus 7 by 3. Now what we are supposed to do, 14 by 3 plus 5 by 3 as it is. 26 by, here the denominator is same, 26 minus 7 would be 19 by 3. Yes, 14 plus 5, 3. 14 plus 5 is equals to 19 by 3. Here we are getting 19 by 3 on the both the sides. That means our answer is correct. Yes, from that thing we can say LHS equals to RHS. So let's begin with the last sum for the day. So friends, if you like my content, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Yes, and if you are capable of solving it by your own, then pause the video and try to solve the last sum for the day by your own. Yes, so 3m equals to 5m minus 8 by 5. That's very easy. Some term having variable should be onto the left hand side. That should always be done. 3m minus 5m and minus 8 by 5 as it is. Yes, friends. Now 3m minus 5m will become minus 2m. Here it is minus 8 by 5. Minus minus will become plus, and what we are getting is 2m equals to 8 by 5. 2 and m are in multiplication over here. So after going that side, what we can do, 2 will become in division. 8 into 5 upon 2. 2 can be cancelled. Yes, so value for m we are getting as 4 by 5. I hope you all might be capable and have understood till now. So let's put the value for m in our question and check whether we have found the answer correct or not. Yes, friends, this was our question. So let's put and check whether we have found the answer correct or not. That means 3 into 4 by 5 equals to 5. 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5. 5 gets cancelled over here. Here it will become 12 by 5. Sorry. In the denominator it should be 5 only. So it is 12 by 5. And here it is 4 minus 8 by 5. Now here what we are supposed to do, friends, or the other thing we can do, instead of cancelling over here, what we can do is we can directly say it as what it was there, friends. 5 in bracket 4 by 5. We can solve it also. 4 5 are 20 by 5 minus 8 by 5. Here it was 12 by 5. This is the left hand side, and 20 minus 8 by 5 in the denominator. Now what we are getting, 12 by 5 is equals to 12 by 5. That means our answer is equal, or the LHS side equals to RHS side. So from this thing we can say LHS equals to RHS, and our answer is correct. So friends, if you like my content, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching you.